Hey guys, I'm Smishan. Again, I'm coming with one another great unbiased ConnectExplore review. Here I'm going to completely walk you through to ConnectExplore, and also I will cover in this ConnectExplore review some of your basic queries regarding this tool. Even after this, if you have any questions, then ask me in the comment box below. And also I'm going to share with you special bonuses worth of $30,000 only from my side, and also discussing about the bonuses which are sharing from vendor side. Okay, so before starting the review of ConnectExplore, let's we discuss about all these bonuses. Okay, all these are exclusive bonuses from my side, which is first one is Rank Math Pro, second Thrive Architect, third DV Theme Builder, and Elementor Pro, Rehab Multi-Vendor Theme. All these bonuses are high valuable because the Rank Math Pro is a great SEO plugin. Thrive Architect is a great landing page builder for WordPress. And here is the pricing plan of Rank Math Pro, which is $59 and $199 for DB theme builder, which is $89 and $249, and Thrive Architect, which is $19 per month, plus 8,000 plus Facebook business groups. And some of these are like e-commerce golden steps, 5 advanced video editing techniques, email master, SEO master, traffic generating resources, and content marketing strategies. All these are exclusive bonuses. So here now let's discussing about some of these bonuses which are from vendor side. Okay, the first one is connect retarget. I want to tell you that and all these bonuses are not just a bonus from vendor side. All these bonuses from vendor side are great Facebook advertising tools. The first one is Connect Retarget, which is worth of $47 per month, but now as a bonus, Connect Leads, which is also $47, and Connect Audience, which is also $47 per month, and Connect Automate, which is also $47 per month. Plus, you will get Inner Circle webinar access, which is organized 7th July 2021, and the topic of this webinar will be Does Organic Marketing Still Work on Facebook by Mary Smith, which is value worth of $97 per month, and you will get access for only one webinar because they organize uh, one webinar each month. Okay, in this webinar you will learn about top 10 Facebook ad creative formulas, how to avoid getting slapped by iOS 14 update, and the anatomy of high converting landing page build, how to write Facebook friendly ads in 2021, secrets to analyzing your number in ads account, and more. And later in the same review we will also discuss about uh, these tools which are like connect retarget, connect audience, connect automate, and connect leads, because they own these tools are not only as a bonus, but these tool will help you a lot. If you are interested in ConnectExplore, then you also like these tools or as a bonus which are providing by vendor. Okay, so now let's directly jump into the review of ConnectExplore, that what exactly it is. ConnectExplore puts interest-based targeting at Facebook. Okay, ConnectExplore helps you to find and identify interest to target using Facebook ads. Using this tool, you will be able to find more interest that you can target. You could find using the Facebook Ads Manager. I will also share with you the demo video of this tool, that how you can do this. Okay, so it will help you a lot to know about this tool. So the audience tracking feature of this tool will help you with discovering which interest work best for you, which one which you have, once you have done your interest search inside ConnectExplore, you will have a group of interest you would like to target. For example, you have 20 interests. Okay, with the audience testing the feature, you will be able to create 20 ad sets with one interest per ad set in a few clicks. Okay, then once your campaign has gathered some data, you will know which interests are performing well and which one is not. Okay, so the biggest difference between these tool which is ConnectExplore, and other tools are the ConnectExplore integrates fully with Facebook Ads API. Only a handful of companies are extended this privilege by Facebook Ads after passing strict requirements. Okay, this means we are able to access data others can't. It allows us to perform deeper searches than our competitor and access in-depth analytics. In addition, it means ConnectExplore can connect directly with your ads manager. Then you will be able to add your ConnectExplore interests to your ads manager without any cutting and pasting, and it will saving you tons of time and effort. So now let's watch the demo video that how ConnectExplore works.
Hey, my name is Wilke de Kraai, the founder of Connect.io, and I want to give you a quick demo of ConnectExplore. As you know, you can target Facebook ads to any group of people based on what they're interested in. And the challenge is that using the Facebook Ads Manager or the Audience Insights tool, it's really hard to find the right interest to target. You'll either find a few highly competitive interests, or you'll be spending hours upon hours on research every single time you want to get a campaign up and running. And worst of all, even when doing that, your ads are still shown to a generic audience who aren't as likely to convert. ConnectExplore changes all of that. In just a matter of seconds, you'll find more interest to target than any of your competitors ever could. And even better, it allows you to get your ads in front of the most passionate group of people inside your market that are most likely to convert. In the next couple of minutes, I'll show you everything step by step so you can see firsthand of how it all works. Let's get started with the audience search, which is an in-depth search engine that will find you hundreds and hundreds of interests to target in any market and any language. All you need to do to get started is enter one or multiple keywords, which you can even enrich using search extensions. Simply hit search and we'll give you as many interests as we can find. And obviously you want to target only the best audiences possible, which is why we pre-analyze your results so you can easily filter the most relevant audiences for your business. And as you can see right here, this single search already resulted in hundreds of different interests that you can target, and we're just getting started. Once you've gathered a list of initial interest, we will then automatically find even more interests that are all highly related. And this goes outside of the keyword that you've entered, making sure you're not limited to your own imagination. And as you can see, we made it our mission to make this incredibly intuitive and easy to use for everyone. So you can easily add these interests to your Facebook ads account, which I'm going to show you in just a few seconds. Now that you've gathered a list of highly related interests to target, you can simply add them to your Facebook ads account from within the dashboard with a single click. There's no copy pasting or other manual work needed whatsoever. And while doing that, we've added something called layering, which allows you to easily dial into your audience even deeper. So normally you'll be targeting everyone who's inside any of those interests that you've selected, even if they're just inside one of them. And using layering, we'll split up your total audiences into multiple groups of people, and we will then target the overlapping segments of those groups. In other words, you'll only be targeting those who are a match for at least 3 of those interests. Now, who do you think is more targeted? People who've accidentally liked one of those things, or at least 3 different ones? Exactly. So ConnectExplore makes it super easy. Simply add multiple layers, divide your interest, and hit apply. It's literally that easy. And as I'm sure you know by now, ConnectExplore changes the game from here on out on how we're going to target our ads on Facebook. You'll be able to find way more highly related interests to target in a matter of minutes. Target only the most profitable audiences using layering and apply it all to your Facebook ads account with a single click. And best of all, do it all from within a really easy to use dashboard. Hope you like this quick demo video, and I'm looking forward to seeing you on the inside.
If you are talking about ConnectExplore support system, then yes, you will get effective and very fast support system. It goes without saying you will be provided with full video-based training on how to make the most of a ConnectExplore and entire shoot. You will be able to get profitable Facebook campaigns upon no time flat without any guesswork. Okay, you will get complete knowledge tutorial from Connect.io. Okay, as you can see, here are all the tutorials about Connect.io. Here are 18 articles. ConnectExplore you will get 28 articles, and Connect Retarget you will get 7 articles, and 20 articles as a frequently based question, in-depth articles. Okay, and Connect Audience you will get 5 FAQ based articles or tutorials. Connect Leads you will get 11 articles and 7 article FAQ based, and autoresponder guides 3 articles, and Connect Automate you will get 5 FAQ based articles or tutorials. And here are some of the Facebook common issue solution, that if you have a, what you can do if you have a low budget, or what are dynamic creative, how to connect your Instagram account, how to add a page to your business manager. All these tutorial will help you a lot. So now let's discussing about the price of this tool. So the price of this tool is $197, and if you want to grab the bonuses which are from vendor side, then click here, yes, add a free 30-day trial of Connect Suite. We will also discuss about the Connect Suite, that what exactly it is, and the ConnectExplore lifetime which is $197, and Connect Suite monthly you will get at $0 as a bonus, but in future you will get at $97 after 1 month free trial. Okay, then click here and get instant access. Okay, the link below is in the description of this video. So now let's discussing about the Connect Suite, that what it is. Okay, Connect IO is a Facebook marketing tool available to business and enterprise of any size. Connect IO consists of 5 different tools that all do different functions. ConnectExplore is one of them, and the overall subscription of 5 tools is called Connect Suite. It includes ConnectExplore, Connect Leads, Connect Audience, Connect Retarget, and Connect Automate. So now let's discussing about what is Connect Lead. Connect Lead will enable you to get Facebook lead ads connected with your autoresponder. This means that if someone enter your Facebook lead form, enter their email address is automatically sent into your autoresponder or email software. The focus of Connect Lead is to collect email subscriber from Facebook into your email list. The second one is Connect Audience. The Connect Audience does in a way the opposite. It connects your autoresponder or email software with your Facebook account, so you can create Facebook custom audience based on who is on your email subscriber list. Connect Audience collect their data from your autoresponder and send it into Facebook as a custom audience. Okay, the focus of Connect Audience is to get more result from the email subscriber that you have. Okay, so now let's discussing about Connect Retarget. Connect Retarget doesn't have anything to do with your autoresponder. Instead, it's for web retargeting on Facebook. Using Connect Retarget, you can retarget your website visitor using Facebook ads based on how they behave on your website. Connect Automate. Connect Automate is a tool to automatically turn your best Facebook post into Facebook ads that get high engagement. In a nutshell, you can create rules such as if a certain post gets more than X like or gets shared by 1% of people, the system will continuously check for posts on your Facebook page, and as soon as a post gets enough engagement, it will create a Facebook ad for it to give a full exposure. So the final word about ConnectExplore is, we all know that finding the best interest to target is critical for a successful campaign, and that finding those interests is a major time suck. ConnectExplore elegantly solves this problem. First, it helps you to find interest you did normally have to dig around for ages to find, and second, with a click of button, those interests are added straight into your ad set. No more copying and pasting. ConnectExplore save your time, helps you escape from boring research, and help you max your ROI. There are 3 things I love most about the ConnectExplore product. It solves real problem for marketers. It's incredible easy to use. Their fast and professional customer support. Maybe you have some question regarding this tool, that is ConnectExplore compatible with my Mac. Yes, the ConnectExplore is also fully compatible with Mac because it's a 100% cloud-based software. Not a ConnectExplore, but all the tools which are included in ConnectExplore are compatible, fully compatible with your Mac. Okay, and the ConnectExplore supported 43 languages.